So now that we have most of the CSS set up, the only thing we really have left to do is to change the colors of stuff. So let's begin by changing the color of this heading here. I'm just going to copy this class. You should know how to do this by now. We just use a dot and then the class name and then our curly braces. And I'm just going to change the color here. Let's try green first. Okay, so that's a bit too bright. Let's go for a different shade of green. And yeah, that looks about right. I didn't want to change the background color here just because we added padding here, but I'm just going to do it to show you why that's a bad idea right now. Let's just pick one of these colors at random, and you can see here that it's not properly filling this area. That's because we have this padding up here. If we get rid of that, it's still going to not be correct, and that's just because there's also some margin and padding on the H3 class here. So if we really wanted to do this, we'd have to strip out all of the margin and padding. So we'd have to do margin 0 here and then padding 0 as well. And now you can see it's almost right. There's still a bit more down here that's white, and that's coming from this HR down here. So this is not really the best way to do a background color on something like this. So I'm just going to get rid of all of this for now and put that padding back here. Okay, so now that we have the color for the heading set up, let's do the text here next. I'm not really sure what color we're going to use, and I'm just going to fast forward through most of this because we all should already know how to add colors and stuff by now. Okay, so I've done a bit of styling here. You probably think this yellow is not that good. It's too contrasting with the white. But I'm going to change the entire background of this card to black. So let's do that quickly. So now this looks a bit better with the black background. We have yellow text here. And also for the button, I had to remove the border, and then I just made it solid white with black text on it. And also let's make the button a bit bigger. We'll set it to 20 pixels by 20 pixels. And obviously for the width, we'd have to go a bit wider here. Let's go with the 100 pixels. And yeah, that looks good. Maybe the font can just be a bit thicker. So what we can do here is font weight, and we can set this to bold. And yeah, that does look a bit better. Maybe we could have gone for a different color with the button here, but for now we'll just leave it like this. We can always just change the color at any time. But yeah, this is basically all that we want to do for styling for now. We've seen a lot of different elements and attributes that we can set in the CSS. So from the next video, I think we'll start looking at JavaScript. But before that, there are a few small things that I want to go over, like what display flex is, and yeah, a few small things like that. So we'll go over that stuff in the next video.